Welcome to our tutorial on the draft command. First, let's activate the draft command from the Dress Up Features toolbar. In the angle value field, I'm going to enter 10 degrees for demonstration purposes. Next, let's select a face to draft. I'm going to select this face and this face. The neutral element, this is the place where the draft originates from. It can be a face, a surface, or a plane. I'm going to select this face right here. You see the 10-degree angle appears right here, and this arrow shows the pulling direction. This angle is basically the angle between the pulling direction and the new face that I'm going to create now. By clicking on the arrow, I change the pulling direction. Okay, click Preview. Once again, if I change the pulling direction and click Preview, the material here will be removed. When the arrow is up, the material is added. Okay. Now let's modify our draft. Double-click on the feature in the specification tree and select More. Let's change the neutral element. Select a new one, replace, and here is our new neutral element. Close, preview. The idea here was to have drafted only the top part of the solid, but as you can see from our preview, the bottom was drafted again also. The solution for this is to use a parting element. Click Preview. Now you can see the top is drafted, but the bottom is the same. Let's modify it again. Double-click. Another option is to draft both sides. Click Preview. What's happened now, both sides, up and the bottom, from the parting line, have become drafted. Material was removed from both the upper and bottom portions. Let's modify it again. Now, let's define the parting element. We're going to select a plane, the XY plane. See, here it's highlighted. Okay, Preview. Click OK. See what's happened here? The draft originated from this face, but the draft started from the XY plane. As a result, there is a small step here on both sides of this solid. This concludes our tutorial on the draft command.